Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up speed dial on Jethro's new 4G SC490 phone. This is a great feature for when you want to call important contacts with the press of just one button. Now let's get into this video. To set up speed dial, you'll first hit the speaker button in the upper right corner to bring up your contact list. Then you'll hit the menu button in the upper left corner. Scroll down to speed dial settings, and here you're able to input whatever contacts you would like into your speed dial. For example, we'll be inserting Jethro customer service into the speed dial for the number 2 button. Next, to use your speed dial, you'll press and hold the number 2 button, and it'll call the number that you'd like. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment any questions or concerns you may have, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, giveaways, and other fun things. I've also included the link in the description below to our affordable, flexible, and reliable Jethro mobile plans, starting at just $5 a month, so don't forget to check those out. Thanks for watching.